Alright, hold on, let me make an adjustment here because this thing keeps alright, that's better. Alright, so tank here. To fill it up, you see up here, there, this thing here, you turn it, this part comes off, that's your tank. Okay, now this is your bottle of I sent you 2 originals and one called Pineapple Express, which is a really nice taste. You'll notice the juice here gets darker over time the more you heat it up and use it. That's not a big deal. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to take this and pour it in so I can completely take this thing apart. So I'm going to pour my juice out here. I'm going to show you how you take this tank apart. Now this tank has an atomizer inside it. Atomizer is what heats up the juice and turns it into vapor. So the atomizer actually has to be changed out about once a month. You got about I think I sent you like 3 or 4 spares in your kit. They're these little like silver sticks with white strings on it. But I'm going to show you how to completely take your tube apart. I took off the top. You only take off the top to fill it up. The top goes on here and you screw it back on to close it up. And that closes up, opens up. Okay, now you take the bottom off. Okay, you see the bottom, to change the atomizer. So to change the atomizer, just take a paper towel, unscrew the bottom, which see it kind of gets tight over time if you tighten the bottom too much. So hold on here. Plus it doesn't help that I got grease on. So this is going to be like a 1-hour video. So how you been, bro? Everything good? Good. I know I look old, huh? I'm getting old, bro. Son of a bitch, man. Okay. That's one of the things you want to avoid. You don't want to let this thing get too tight, but, you know, it's just a pain in the ass to get off if you over tighten it. But this is the bottom piece here. That's your tank. This is the bottom piece. Screws here. Okay. Unscrews here. See? And that's your atomizer. Now, if you notice, mine's been used, so it's kind of dark brown. Okay. I don't like to change them too much. Maybe once a month or once every time I use a whole bottle. So what I do sometimes is I kind of just wipe it down. You know, like this is the first time I'm doing it in like 2 or 3 weeks. But anyway, the atomizer here on top, you see there's a little plastic thing that comes off. Sometimes it'll come off when you're trying to unscrew it. Don't worry, these come on the replacements. They're already on there. You see this little plastic thing here? Okay, they're already on top. They're kind of just like a little seal so the liquid doesn't go into your mouth. But to take it off, you take off the little plastic thing. Okay, and you unscrew the tip here. Okay, comes right off. Okay, and that's your atomizer. You have a few replacements. Okay, like I said, you got to replace it like once every maybe 3 to 4 weeks, or once every time you use a whole bottle of this. Okay, you'll notice like a burn taste kind of come off of it if it's getting a little bit too old. Okay, so the atomizer, to replace it, I'm going to show you that on the next video. But now you know how to take it off. You can follow this video. Again, screws up here, unscrews there. Okay? Alright, next video, I'll show you how to put it back on.